Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Awali Miftahujana, number absent number 3. So, I will show you how to use a washing machine. Let's go. Hello everyone, so I will show you how to use washing machine. Let's go. So, the first to connect the parallel into the water connecting hole. Then enter the dirty clothes you want to wash. Then turn the foot and wait for the water to be full. Then when the water is full, add enough detergent. Then turn until number 9.
Then wait until the washing machine stops.
If the washing machine has stopped spinning, then throw away the water in the washing machine.
If the water has run out, then put the clothes in bucket that has been filled with vacuuming cloths.
Wait for 10 minutes for the fragment to absorb into the clothes. If it has been waiting for a few minutes, then squeeze it and put in the dryer. Playing until number 3 and wait until it stops. If it stops, the clothes are ready to in drying. That's all, and thank you for the video for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.